Another one. What? Another
finished one?
Another one. I just finished one.
This one's no bueno.
So yeah, this is the continuation of Kevin's Satellite. You've seen prior videos of that already. So today what? We're drilling out spot welds to remove the front clip to put in the new front clip that you've seen us cut out in the video. Maybe here. Sure. Well, no, you've seen the front clip in the video. We weren't cutting it out. We were actually taking the glass out of the car.
Oh, you still have that video?
Yeah. What's up? It's up.
Oh, okay.
It's up.
Well, anyway, there was a car that was cut apart for a donation, and that donation is laying there in that pile, and that's what's going to go on.
Can you go from the top? Should we be holding that?
Yeah.
Can we not do that? It's all fucking wonderful. It's all lovely.
I didn't even know it was capable of happening.
Yeah, we gotta save this top bar though.
Why is that?
Because it's got this VIN number for the car on it.
Oh my god. No one cares about this anymore.
Who never thought that?
We're gonna be so pissed.
You know,
I just calm down.
why does anybody even bother coming over? Just go work on your Chevy.
Why, it runs.
Exactly how Chip does it.
on here too. Here, you got your gloves on. So they're prepping the new front flip to be put on. We already got all the old stuff off. So they're going to have to patch a lot of this firewall before you could permanently mount the front end, but we may try to hang it tonight just to see how it's going to fit up. But Kevin's getting the last of the old front end off of it. So as you can see, there's all where the spot welds used to be, and you gotta just drill those out and then get like a screwdriver or a pry bar behind it and pop it off.
Fucking social media.
Back, now back. Hang on, my hand. Oh, for a second. Your hand. Okay, keep going back.
Okay, hang on. We're wedged in there. We've got the big one
Basically need a weasel, that's however you gotta do it. It's gotta go back about an inch or so.
Got it?
Turn up the heat so high. That should work now. That's it. That's it.
Ah, yeah, look at that.
Like the glove.
And you said, oh, it's not going to be good there.
Well, it's not on.
pulls it off.
So like 4 times, you're probably gonna have to come back on.
Jeez. Still fucking on.
Fixed! Get some pop rivets! Damn!
Still on there.
I need a drink.
I'm bleeding.
Alright, so we got, I guess we're gonna do like a little rundown here. I guess I'll let Kevin and Joe kind of explain, but. So,
we cut shit off and we put shit on.
Yeah, so this is just like a fab fit right now.
This is a first trial fit, yes.
Yeah,
Right.
so.
We'll probably take this on and off like 50 more times.
So, yeah, like I kind of
hope not.
tried showing you like there's gonna be firewall replacement patch panels that need to go in.
Repair, not replacement.
Repair.
Repair is better.
And then right where this, what do you call it? The K
Transmission cross members
transfer. Okay.
Going transversely.
Oh, that's right. So the K frame's under the engine. This is okay, and so we'll have to cut that out and patch new metal in because that's where that's gonna tack to.
Well, that's the beginning of the video is just we're gonna cut this shit off and then put. Well, now it doesn't exist on the floor
Right.
anymore. Now it's on the car.
Right there.
So
That's
Yeah,
it.
buddy.
It's progress.
it's moving forward.